Hello students. Now our next topic is number on abacus. Till now we have studied two exercises and I hope you are clear with them. Now we are going to study what is abacus. So look down below. An abacus is a simple device which is used for calculating. It consists of a frame with rows of wires along which bits are slid. तो अबैकस देखो, आपको साइड में एक सेकंड पिक्चर दिख रहा है. दिस इज एन अबैकस. इसमें आपको छोटे छोटे बॉल्स दिख रहे होंगे. दीज आर बीड्स. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? बीड्स. ओके. एंड दे आर टाइड विद अ स्ट्रिंग और अ रोप. ये स्ट्रिंग और रोप से टाइड है. सो व्हाट इज इट यूज्ड फॉर? It is used for calculation, performing various operations like addition, subtraction, and it is also used for naming of the numbers. By understanding the beads and the number of beads on every string, we come to know about the digit which is to be named. Okay, now see the first picture. The first string is, read from the right hand side. The first string is ones, second is tens, third string is hundreds, the fourth string is thousand, and the fifth string is, yes, 10,000. And see, on 10,000 there is a bead. 10,000 पे एक bead है. Yes. So these beads are used for counting the digits. Very good. Now, how do we read and write the numbers on abacus? Abacus पे हम numbers को read और write कैसे करते हैं? तो देखो, तुम्हारे आपके पास में दो pictures हैं. We have two pictures here. So we will now understand how to read and write a number. So the first picture, see the first picture. Ones place पे अब हम क्या करेंगे? हर एक place value पे कितने beads हैं वो count करके वो number हम नीचे लिखेंगे. So we'll start with the first picture. Ones पे कितने beads हैं? Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 beads, children. See the first picture and count from the ones place, that is the right hand side. So how many beads are there on the ones place? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 beads. Very good. Now on the tens place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Tens पे कितने beads हैं? 5 beads हैं. Similarly, 100 पे let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 100 पे there are 9 beads. Very good. Now how many beads are there on the thousands place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1000 pe there are 6 beads. Now come to the 10,000. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10,000 पे there are 9 beads. तो हमें क्या नंबर मिला? 96,953. Yes. What number do we get? 96,953. And we have to now write it in the form of words. तो हम जो भी बोलेंगे वैसे के वैसे हम लिख देंगे. So it becomes 96,953. Very good. कैसे काउंट किया हमने? We started from rightmost side and on every place value we counted the number of beads and wrote down the number. So what number do we get in the first example? 96,953. Now let us come to the second example. Now see the second example. We'll start from the right hand side. So on the ones place, how many beads are there? Tell me. Yes, only one bead is there. So we write 1. And on the tens place, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tens place पे कितने beads हैं? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we write 4 over here on the tens place. Similarly, on the 100 place, how many are there? 1 and 2. Only 2 beads are there on the 100 place, children. So we write 2 over here. And on the 1000 place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1000 place पे कितने beads हैं? There are 5 beads on the 1000 place. So we write 5 over here. So what number do we get? 5,000 5,241. What number do we get? 5,241. And we write it in words as 5,241. So now we got it, how to read the numbers and how to write them by counting the beads. We just have to count the beads on every place value and we have to write the respective number. हर प्लेस वैल्यू पे हमको बीट को काउंट करना है और उसका रिस्पेक्टिव नंबर जो भी काउंटिंग आती है उस प्लेस वैल्यू पे वो हमको लिखना है. ओके, नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. अब देखो, इसमें मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है. सी दिस एग्जांपल. वी ऑन द वेरी लेफ्ट साइड वी हैव अ नंबर 999. हमारे पास है. कैसे पता चला ये 999? हमें ऊपर अबैकस दिया हुआ है, उसमें 3 प्लेस वैल्यू है, वंस, टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स. ये वाले फर्स्ट वाले बिल्कुल लेफ्ट में देखो, फर्स्ट वाले अबैकस में वी हैव 3 प्लेस वैल्यूज व्हिच आर वंस, टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स. 1 पे कितने बीट्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तो वंस पे 9 लिखा. टेंस पे कितने बीट्स है चिल्ड्रन? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तो टेंस पे भी 9 लिखा. हंड्रेड्स पे कितने बीट्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तो 100 पे भी मैंने क्या लिखा? 9 लिखा. तो on the all 3 place values I wrote 9 9 and 9. So this 3-digit number 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Okay, so now we understand how to read the number on abacus. Now when we add 1 to 999 we get 1000. When we add 1 to 999 we get 1000. तो अब 1000 हमारा 4-digit number बन गया, मतलब 1000 और ऐड हो जाएगा because 1000 is a 4-digit number. So we have 4 place values which are ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So when we add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number we get the smallest 4-digit number. जब हम सबसे बड़े 3-digit number में 1 को ऐड करेंगे तो हमें सबसे छोटा 4-digit का number मिलेगा. Okay, so now we understand how to read and write the numbers on abacus. And what is an abacus? It's a device which is used for calculating, performing operations, like addition, subtraction, for numbering, for naming of the numbers. And what it consists of, इसमें क्या क्या होता है? Tell me. It has a frame, it has beads, and beads are tied with the help of a string. You can see the child over there who is holding an abacus. So it's basically an abacus which consists of colorful beads, a string, and a frame. How do we read it? We start from the rightmost side. हम rightmost side से start करते हैं, which is the ones position. So from the ones position, we start counting the beads and write the numbers respectively. Like 1 पे 3 beads है, मैंने 3 लिखा. 10 पे 5 beads है, मैंने 5 लिखा. 9 पे 100 beads है, मैंने यहाँ पे 100 पे 9 beads है, मैंने 9 लिखा. 1000 पे 6 beads है, मैंने 6 लिखा. और 10,000 पे 9 beads है, मैंने अगेन 9 लिखा. तो जब मैंने beads काउंट करके सारे डिजिट्स लिखे मुझे एक नंबर मिला which is 96,953 और फिर मैंने उसको वर्ड में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. और मैंने अबैकस से सबसे पहले बड़ा 3 डिजिट का नंबर बनाया which is 999. जब मैं इसमें 1 को ऐड करूंगी मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 1000 which is the greatest 4-digit number, which is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, so now next you will be doing the exercise, so understand the explanation very properly and then we'll start solving the exercise based on abacus. Okay, hello children, now today we are going to solve exercise 1.3 which is based on abacus. So what is the first question here? Read the abacus and write the number and its number name. So what we have to do, we have to understand the symbols of the abacus and then we have to write the numbers on each and every place value. देखो ones पे कुछ beads हैं, tens पे beads लगे हुए हैं, hundreds पे हैं, 1000 पे हैं, ऐसे ही हर जगह beads लगे हैं. हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. We need to start from ones. 1 से start करके हमको हर place value पे beads count करना है और जितने बीट होते हैं उतने डिजिट उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू के नीचे लिखना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Let us draw the first diagram. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. अब ones पे let us count how many beads are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we start drawing from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. और हमने यहाँ लिख दिया 6 beads. Now tens पे 1, 2, 3 and 4 beads. So we start at 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 beads. 100 पे 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3 beads. And then thousands 1 and 2. 1 and 2. क्या नंबर मिला हमें? 2346. Write it down. 2346. अब we will write it in words. Two 2346. First we count the beads on each and every place value and we start from the rightmost corner, that is 1. So we start counting the beads on each and every place value and then we write the number and then this number is written in the form of words. पहले beads count करेंगे हर place value पे, like at 0 कितने beads थे? 6, tens पे 4 beads, 100 पे 3 beads और 1000 पे 2 beads. फिर हमने नंबर बनाया which is 2346 and then we write this number in the form of words which becomes 2346. Now note it down in your copies. Write it down as it is. Okay. Now we will start our second question. First we will draw the diagram. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Now how many beads are there at once? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. टेंस पे कितने बीट्स हैं? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. हंड्रेड्स पे 1, 2, 3 and 4 again. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1000 पे there are no beats. 10,000 पे there are 2 beats. So 1 and 2. Okay. Now we start writing the number. Ones पे कितने beats है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write down 6 here. Tens पे 1, 2, 3 and 4. 100 पे 1, 2, 3 and 4 again. 1000 पे कोई beat है? नहीं. So we'll write 0 here. 10,000 पे we have 2 beats. Now when we combine this number, we get 20,446. And now we write it in the form of words. $20,446 20,446. Write it down. Okay, 20,446. पहले beats count करेंगे and we'll start from where? We'll start from the rightmost corner. We count every beat and then we write the respective number. जिस भी place value पे जितने भी beats हैं वो digit हम वहाँ पे count करके लिखेंगे. Then we combine the number. The number becomes 20,446 and then we write it in the form of words. Okay, now the next question. Now we move on to the B part of the exercise, which is draw the beads to represent the given number on abacus and write its number name. So what is the first question here is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Now what is given on the ones place? 6. So we write here 6. Tens पे 8 दिया हुआ है, so we write here 8. 100 पे 7 and 1000 पे 4. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the beads according to the number which is given. So we draw 6 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. टेंस पे 8 दिया है तो 8 बीट्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 100 पे 7 बीट्स दिया है, so we'll draw 7 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1000 पे we are given with 4 beads, so we'll draw 4 beads here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we combine this number. तो हमें क्या नंबर मिलता है? 4,786. And now we will write it in words. So 4,786 4,786. Write it in your copies. First we draw the beads on each and every place value and then we join the number and then write it in words. So it becomes 4,786. Okay, now we move on to the next question. Now, we first draw the diagram which is given. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. अब वंस पे क्या दिया हुआ है 6, सो वी ड्रॉ 6 beads here, 4, 5 and 6. टेंस पे 1, तो हमने यहाँ पे 1 bead ड्रॉ किया. 100 पे 5, so I draw 5 beads here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1000 पे 2, 1 and 2, and then at 10,000 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now I combine this number, so what do I get? 32,516. 32,516. And now I write it in the form of words. So it becomes 32,516. Yes. $32,516. Write it down. First we draw the beads according to the number given on each and every place value, and then we convert the number in words, write it in the form of words. 32,516. Okay, so now we are done with our exercise 1.3 and we will meet very soon for next exercise. Until then, practice every question carefully and please ask me if you have any doubt. Thank you.